Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate HubSpot with Zoom. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly connect these two powerful platforms, making it easy to manage your meetings, webinars, and contacts, all in one place. Whether you're running virtual events, following up with leads, or streamlining your business workflows, this integration will save you time and keep your data organized. So let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to the HubSpot app marketplace. When you're logged into your HubSpot account, look up at the top navigation bar. You'll see a marketplace icon that looks like a little shopping cart. Go ahead and click that. Then select App Marketplace from the menu. This is where you'll find all the extra tools and integrations that can supercharge your HubSpot experience. And don't worry if you've never visited the marketplace before, the layout is clean, and it's designed to help you find what you need quickly. Now let's find the Zoom app within the marketplace. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type in Zoom by HubSpot and hit enter. This helps filter out the thousands of apps so you get right to what you're looking for. If you see a couple of options, make sure you click on the official Zoom integration built by HubSpot so you're getting all the supported features and updates. Sometimes there may also be separate options for Zoom Phone or Zoom Events. If your team uses those specific features, keep them in mind for later. Once you've located the Zoom app, it's time to install it. Just click the Install App button. Nice and straightforward. If you need Zoom Phone integration or want to manage Zoom events inside HubSpot, you might see additional install options for those. Pick the ones that match your workflow. Installation only takes a minute or two, but if your browser asks for permission, just confirm or allow. It's totally normal while linking two platforms together. After installation starts, a dialog box will pop up with a prompt to sign into your Zoom account. Here you'll enter your Zoom login credentials. Take your time. Make sure you're using the correct account that you actually use for your meetings, especially if you have multiple Zoom logins. Once you're logged in, Zoom will ask if you're okay granting HubSpot permission to access your data, details like meetings, webinars, and contacts. This step is really important because it enables the proper syncing between HubSpot and Zoom. Click Allow to move forward. If you're ever unsure about permissions, remember, they're needed so your data can flow securely and automatically between both platforms so you don't have to manually enter information after each meeting. Next, you'll be redirected straight back to HubSpot. Head over to Integrations and then click on Connected Apps. You should see Zoom listed right there. Click on it to dive into the settings. This is where you can really fine-tune things. Manage which data gets synced, such as meetings and webinars, and decide if you want certain contacts excluded from automatic syncing. Take a brief moment to review your syncing preferences, especially if you're working as part of a larger team. For example, maybe you want only specific types of Zoom meetings to appear in HubSpot, or you don't want internal meetings logged. Adjusting these settings ahead of time will save you plenty of trouble later on and keep your CRM clean and useful. And that's it, your HubSpot and Zoom accounts are now fully integrated. You'll find this connection pays off the next time you host a webinar or schedule a meeting and see your data flow effortlessly between platforms. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button so others can discover it too. Got any questions or want more tips on optimizing your HubSpot workflow? Drop a comment below. I always check and reply. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials just like this one. See you next time.